Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you to use a feature of the gallery, and this is called a private album. So there's a private album within your galleries that you might not be aware of on the S26 Ultra. So this is the S26 Ultra. And of course, this private album, you can keep private photos that you don't want anybody else to see. So for example, if you have anything that's sensitive and you don't want to keep them in your main gallery, you can actually use this. All right. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use the camera. I'm going to take this photo here. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take a photo of this. Let's say this was a secret message. It's not, I'm just using this as an example, and say I took the picture of that message or of whatever it was, and I don't want it to be in the regular gallery. This is what you do. All right, so we're going to go to our gallery. Once you're in our gallery, we're going to find the photo that you had from before. So we're going to go ahead and find that photo and open it up. You can go ahead and open it up. So this was the photo. I've opened it up. It applies to any photo. So as you can see here, you're going to go to the three dots right here, top, and you're going to say move to private album, not secure folder, but actually private album. All right, so you're going to say move to private album, and here it says move one item to the private album. I'm going to say move. And there it says move image to the private album. All right, next. Now that you have moved the picture to the private album, the next question is where is the private album? All right, so it's hidden from view. Go ahead and click on the menu. And here it says private album. Go ahead and tap on private album. And here it says private album. Let me move this center. So this is the private album. As you can see, it tells you here that it hides sensitive photos and videos in your private album to keep them from showing up in your gallery or other apps. All right, so anything that's here, then of course I'm going to use unlock, and I use my fingerprint. And as you can see here, the photo that I took, it's no longer in my regular gallery and it's now in my private album. And there you go. You can do everything that you would normally do, including you can do stuff such as probably move it out. You can choose to delete it if you want. You can share it, or you can actually move it. So if I want to move, it says move is completed. If I want to change my mind, I'm just showing you that it actually works. It is again in the main album. So you can actually move stuff by using the move option in and out. So if, for example, you made a mistake, you can actually use the move option to move it back to the main gallery. But from now on, you can use that private album, and you can add your photos that you choose. Simply choose to move them over and they'll be moved to the private album. And the best thing, if your device uses the fingerprint, for example, the S26 Ultra, you can actually use your fingerprint and nobody will be able to access it because they'll need your fingerprint. So you can move over all your sensitive data over to that private folder. All right, so hope that was helpful, and that's a cool feature, and it doesn't need any setup. It just comes available for you to place all your device, and that's different from private folder. So I hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.